Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube download videos in the highest quality on your phone. Important note, you need to have YouTube Premium. Once you have YouTube Premium and you're on your account, you can open up YouTube, click your account on the lower right hand side, and then from here you want to click the settings gear in the upper right. You want to scroll down and look for background and downloads and click on that. And so from here, you want to go ahead and find the download quality section, click on it, and then you want to set it to full HD just like that. Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue. Also, when you're downloading videos on YouTube, you will also have the option to select that. So if I find a video right here that I'd like to download, click the three dots, click download, you will see it start to download on my phone, right? So this is going to download and I will have that on my phone. If this download setting is set to ask me first, you can also select that as well, and it will basically ask you which quality you want to choose to download, and you can download that. So that's it. So guys, really easy stuff. I really hope you found this useful. If you do, give this video a like, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in my next video.